Can you get the phone, Adriana?
No, Marcus can get it.
Can somebody please pick up the phone? Either one of you?
Adriana, please pick up the phone.
Marcus, you pick up the phone. I'm busy.
Are you on Facebook?
No.
Please put that down and please pick up the phone.
Look,
Marcus.
can someone please get the phone? They're waiting on the line.
Adriana, you're at the front desk. Get the phone.
Marcus, what are you doing? You can pick up the phone.
Oh,
gosh.
You're at the front desk. You're on your cell phone. Hello?
Hey Marcus, I'm here outside. You want to come out?
You can come inside. There's no one here. Just go ahead and come inside.
Okay. Alright, I'm coming.
Okay, I'll see you here.
Hey ladies, how are you guys? Good to see you all again. Hi Marcus, I missed you.
Hey, Gloria.
Can you give me that chair over there so I
Yeah,
can
let me
join
give
you?
you a chair.
Thank you. How's your day going?
Oh, you wouldn't believe it.
What's going on today?
What are y'all talking about over there? Why are you whispering, Marcus? Are you talking about me behind my back?
What?
You heard me, Marcus.
Nobody is talking about you.
Then why are you whispering? If
Nope.
you have something to say, come and say it to my face.
Nobody is talking about you. Are
so
you being
tired
serious?
of you.
Adriana, nobody is talking about you.
It sure does sound like it all the way from here. Why are you whispering then?
Because we're talking about personal things.
If you want to talk about personal things, why don't you go ahead and take it outside?
Because I'm allowed to have a visitor. Adriana, you're being so unprofessional. Are you serious?
I'm unprofessional. You're the one who has your lady friend back there. So tired of you.
Unbelievable.
I think she's jealous.
Ah! Jealous of what?
All of this.
Oh, I don't want that. Trust me.
Why are you being so unprofessional?
I cannot stand you. Go ahead and take your little friend outside.
It's okay, Adriana. We're gonna find you a guy. We're gonna find you a man.
Adriana, the phone is ringing. Would you get off Facebook and answer the phone?
Texas Eye Center. How can I help you? No, I'm fully booked this week. Yeah, can you call back next Monday, please?
Adriana,
Yep, we're fully booked.
no, we're not fully booked.
All right, bye.
Adriana. Hello? Adriana, what are you doing? Do you have their number?
It might be in the call history or something. You
Well,
can look
you
it
don't
up.
need to call them back. We're not fully booked. Why would you tell them that?
I don't know. Paul.
Look, you're supposed to be taking appointments. You can't just be turning people away when we have an empty schedule like this. Man, I can't believe you did that. Guys, listen. Look, let me talk to y'all for a second. Adriana, do you see the schedule? Why would you turn that patient away? Do you see the schedule for today? Do you see it for tomorrow? What do you see?
I don't know.
There's nobody on the appointment book. We don't have any appointments. I mean, guys, we've been struggling because of COVID-19, right? Like, there is no patients coming in. I mean, nobody wants to come in. And the one person that calls today, you guys ignore the call? I heard the phone ringing off the hook. Like, you guys got to get the phone. And when you get it, take the appointment, all right? I mean, listen, Mr. Charles, at this time, he needs our help, okay? He's been struggling financially. The death of his wife, so many different things are affecting him. We should be there for him, right? You guys have been working here long enough. You see him. You know him. Marcus, I mean, would you be acting like this if this was your business?
No.
Of course not. Because if it was yours, you would take more responsibility, right? Why are y'all treating Mr. Charles like this? I mean, this is frustrating. I don't know if you guys get it. Like, he's going through a really tough time. The business is struggling. We're trying to keep our job so he doesn't shut this place down. And you guys are acting like this? Rachel? Do you get it?
Yes, I do.
So, I mean, what are you guys going to do? Like, can we do something about this? Can we help him during his time of need? I honestly believe if this was your business, you guys wouldn't be acting like this. Am I right?
I don't know what to tell you.
I mean, would you act like this if this was your business?
Maybe
Would you be
not.
turning away calls, turning away patients?
I don't know.
No, of course not. Because if it's yours, you would take care of it like it's your own. But just because it belongs to somebody else, you can't do that. See? And as a matter of fact, he pays you to be here. You guys are making your living. This is how you pay your bills. You need this job, right? Am I right?
Uh-huh.
I mean, if you don't need it, you don't have to be here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You wouldn't be here. So, guys, you got to take care of it like it's your own. So, all I'm going to say is start doing better. I know you guys can do better. Start taking these appointments. Start taking these calls and be a good example to Rachel. All right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be leaving early today. Actually,
What?
grab my stuff.
What do you mean you're leaving early?
I'm leaving early. I have things to do today.
We're not closed yet. We still have a lot of work to do. What do
You
you
don't
mean?
have any patience, so
Oh, if she's leaving, I'm leaving too. I've got plans also.
So you guys are gonna leave Rachel by herself? I mean,
Or if she's leaving early, I got plans also.
oh man, you guys still don't get it. All right.